God gazed upon the earth and saw that it was corrupt, he then said to the angels, "This I must interrupt." But he found one called Noah, who observed his direction, and he was the only one upon the earth who deserved God's affection. So unto Noah God said, "I am displeased, and because of man's evil ways, the earth shall cease to be. For with water should I destroy that which I did create. But every man you shall warn before it is too late. For 40 days and 40 nights the rain shall come, but you shall escape in an ark built by you and your sons. I shall teach you of what height and what length you should build, and how with two of every creature the ark must be filled. Go now, my son, and complete this task, for these things I have told you shall soon come to pass." Noah obeyed the Lord and preached to the people, but there was not one who believed, for their hearts were filled with only lustful thoughts, for by Satan they had been deceived. Again and again Noah did preach, "It is only for your safety that I do seek." Although they heard every word that he did speak, not one of their hearts did he ever reach. Noah now turned his attention to the ark, and thus began his construction. But still he wept for the people of the earth, for he knew of their oncoming destruction. But time had now passed, and the ark was complete, and by twos the animals did board, and the birds of the air first circled the craft, and ended and gracefully soared. As the last of the creatures then entered, the rain began to pour down, and in all hearts fear was centered as they heard the thundering sounds. Looking up at the sky, they all realized that Noah's preaching was right. But now Noah could not help them, because the ark's door had been closed by God's might. The end of the world was upon them because of man's rebellious sinning. But as for Noah and his family, it meant a bright and new beginning.